Assalamu alaikum. Today we'll start Unit 3 for English 101. I'm here just to speak about the plan of the week. As you know, that we start our first experience with online teaching. So I prepared my plan and I sent it to you. And I already uploaded to the platform, so you can follow the steps of this plan. Unit 3 title is lifestyle. As you see, the objectives we have for this unit, 7 objectives. The first one is to use new vocabulary and expressions and correct sentences. Objective number 2 is to describe your lifestyle. And here, in order to describe your lifestyle, there are some exercises. I mentioned them in the schedule. And to talk about the future. And number 4, to comprehend the reading comprehension passage. It will speak about top cities. I want you to read it, to answer the questions as we are in the classroom. Then objective number 5 is to use comparatives and superlatives. And already I have uploaded external material and PowerPoint, so you can find good information for you that will help you to realize what is the difference between comparatives and superlatives. And I think this is a simple subject for you. Also, number 6 is to speak about future possibility and to use prefixes and suffixes. Now let's move to the schedule of this week. Now, Monday, today, is the unit orientation. This is a general introduction about the parts of the unit that I'm recording here, this video, to show you what are the parts. And today, please start to read and to find the new vocabulary, the difficult vocabulary. I put page 33. There is an exercise here. Exercise. You see this page. Okay, 33. Now, what does home mean to you? And you know, there is a difference between home and house. So what does home mean to you, especially these days? Some students in the past, they told me, okay, home is happiness, home is my memories. And some of them said, no, home, it means the ATM or a restaurant or like this. So it depends. And then the most important is to study this table and to find out the difficult words, okay? To find out the difficult words. In Arabic, no problem. In English, okay, it will help. The thing that you will make it, you will write a short paragraph describing where you live and your lifestyle. So please, when you start to study, put your book, put your notebook or your tablet and start to type and answer this question. It is exercise 3, page 33. Exercise B, describe where you live and your lifestyle. This exercise here, okay? Because at the end of the week, I will send the assignment. A part of your assignment is to what? Is to describe your lifestyle. Okay, then we'll move. This is the vocabulary, describe your lifestyle. Yes. Then you will move directly to reading comprehension, top cities. Okay, now here in top cities, there is a comparison between the best or recommended cities that you must visit all over the world and the worst cities that you must avoid to visit These are advices from a person whose name is William Mercer. He is one of the world's largest human resources consultants. So he conducted a survey and he put a criteria. I want you to find out what are the criteria in order to classify. For example, Jordan is one of the best countries, so it is recommended to be visited, and why you recommend, for example, Brazzaville as the worst city not to visit. So these things you will find them in this reading comprehension. And also, please answer these questions. We have like 80 questions in exercise 6 under the topic is reading comprehension. These answers and your lifestyle must be written or you can save them in a Word document or a PDF. At the end of this unit, I send an assignment. Maybe tomorrow I will upload your assignment, but please be ready. Prepare all of these answers. This is Monday task. It is a self-learning. Students can use all resources included, e-translation applications, no problem. I expect that if you do the first exercise or vocabulary exercise, the first task, and the reading comprehension and answering these questions and put your answers in a Word document, it will not take more than 80 minutes. 80 minutes, it means 80 minutes, 1 hour and 20 minutes. It's the time of our lecture. So you can do it. Tuesday, you will return back to page 35. Here we are, page 38. You will go back to page 35. Yes. Here in this corner, here, okay, is the grammar talking about a future. Talking about future. We have many ways, but here in the book you are required to learn when to use going to, verb to be plus going to, and when to use will plus base form, and also when to use the present continuous. So you will study this active grammar, and remember that I put material and good clarification in the platform, so return back to it. And there is exercise 7, page 35, the same page. You must do it. It is not you can, you must do it, please. And if you work seriously and do all of the things that I asked you to do according to my plan, I'm sure that you will pass and you will succeed. And I'm ready to answer any question in our meeting on Wednesday. Okay, then you will move to page 39. Page 39 is the grammar of comparatives and superlatives. Easily, all of us, we know that ER for comparatives and EST for superlatives. But the thing that you do not know is the irregular adjectives. For example, what is the comparative degree of good? It's better. And the superlative, the best. And what is the comparative degree of well? WELL. It is better and the best. And what is the comparative degree of L? What is the comparative degree of L? Anybody knows? Okay, the comparative degree of L is worse and the worst. So these irregular adjectives, I will send it to you also. I will send a list on the platform. I will upload it on the platform, but we have simple exercise here. Correct the mistakes in each sentence. So in this page, you will find here the information about the grammar, and here is the exercise. Try to do it. And there are a lot of external material I put on the platform. Also, I asked you, this is Tuesday. So Tuesday is full of grammar. The material is from the book and the presentations which are available in your classroom platform. Also, we have another exercise, page 37, 41. Yes, this is important grammar. It's speaking about future possibility. Future possibility. So we have 3 ways to express future possibility. Sometimes we are certain about things that will happen. Other times we are speaking about probable things. And if your possibility is the lowest, so you will use may and might. So if you are certain enough, you will use definitely. And if you are certain but in a negative way, you will use definitely, will not, or won't. And probable, it will probably. Okay, if negative, it probably won't. I want you to focus here on a thing that is important. If your sentence is positive, put will, probably. If it is negative, probably won't. So the position of will and want is different according to what, to the state of the sentence, if it is negative or positive. So study it well, please, from the book, and don't forget to do exercise 8 on the same page. Finally, there is an exercise of vocabulary. It's speaking about prefixes and suffixes. The same day you can study it. The prefix is the part of speech that you put before a word to change the meaning. Play, replay, it means again. For example, happy, unhappy, to me it means not. Other example is like, dislike. This is the prefix. Suffixes like, for example, careful, careful. The full is what is a suffix, and you can find many examples here. Do exercises in the same page, and don't forget the reference. The reference page, 45. This reference now is very precious and very important because all of the grammar is written here and discussed here. Finally, we have the review and the practice. The review and the practice, as always, I told you it is very important to care about it because most of the questions of the exams are from here. So by this, if you follow these steps, so you will cover the material. Now don't forget Wednesday to attend the class through Zoom application. Your meeting will be from 4:30 to 5 p.m. From 4:30 to 5 p.m. Attendance is obligatory. Okay? Thank you.